I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like, hey, what's up?
I'll show you guys my braids. So I'm just about to undo these because we're looking hella scruffy right now. I probably had these braids in my head for about 2.5 months now. Like real shit. I like to comb it out before I get in the shower and like take off all the hair that's like shedding. And you guys, my hair sheds a lot. Like I was telling you guys when I was installing my wig, like my natural hair literally sheds more than my wigs. So I try to like get off all of that like dead hair before I go in the shower, just to like make my life easier. This is how much of my hair just came out. That's a lot. Before I get in the shower, I'm gonna show you guys what kind of shampoo and conditioner I use. So the shampoo that I use is this one right here. It's the Afro-G shampoo for damaged hair. And this is like my favorite shampoo because it does like clean your hair really nice. And I use this coconut curl conditioner to soften up my hair and like bring back my curls. So let's get into it. I'm about to bring the camera in here. I don't know if I should turn the light on.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger, and I go ginger. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and need your money. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know if you do, I'm gonna talk up. People get rock on. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you, what's in my mind. You gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it out. Now you I want to feel. When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
And I'm just going to show you guys some products that I use in my hair to keep my curls, well, the little curls I do have, looking nice. So I do use the Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. This one right here. And then I also use some Echo Styling Gel. Usually I have like little oil that I put in it, but I can't find it right now, so.
Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're
some Echo Styling Gel, and I like later baby hairs.
Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you.
And yeah, basically after my wash, I let it air dry. I don't blow dry my hair unless I'm gonna straighten it afterwards. So if I'm just gonna leave it curly, I let it air dry. I don't blow dry it. I like come back in like half an hour when it's fully dried, so you guys can see like what it looks like when it's dry and when it's wet.
My baby, I will love you forever.
Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like now that it's dry completely. And it's just like my hair is so hard to maintain, so I just rather keep it braided, wear my wigs, let it grow out, and yeah, I don't want to have to deal with combing my natural hair. And like I showed you guys, like it sheds so much, like it sheds way more than my wigs. So like I rather just keep it hidden under my wigs where I know it's safe and sound and it's growing out at the same time, and my wigs are keeping me fly in the meantime until I'm like ready to give up my wigs. Then like I'll wear my natural hair more. But for right now, I do want it to grow out some more, so I'm gonna keep wearing my wigs until I guess it's to the length where I want it to be. I'm aiming for it to reach like almost to my lower back, and I know my hair grows pretty fast if I take care of it, like all my scalp and all of that. So I'm hoping within a year or two it will definitely be down in my lower back, like touching my you know where you get dimples in your back, like down there. So that's what I'm aiming for, fingers crossed. And yeah, my hair grows pretty fast though. And also another thing that I used to use before a lot is black castor oil. That really helps with growing out your hair. So just put that on your scalp before going to bed at night, and it definitely helps with like growing out your hair and keeping it strong and healthy. I have like the worst headache right now, so I'm gonna cut this video right here because my head is literally pounding. And I'm just showing you guys what it looks like outside because I'm in some balm lighting, but this is what it pretty much looks like when it's like fully dry. And as y'all can see, like some curls are way tighter than the other, and even on this side here, these weirdos are like staring at me. But yeah, like in my hair, like the texture of my hair is really different throughout my entire head. It's just so much to deal with, so that's why I don't wear my hair on a regular basis. Like I ain't got time for this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.